Hello first grade, my name is Mr. Babcock and I teach first grade. Here are some of my lockers. I have some lockers down on the other end and I have some lockers a little ways down there, so we're going to be a little ways from my classroom this year, but that's going to be okay. I am the yellow classroom and let's go take a look at it. So if you're ever looking for my classroom, I am the yellow classroom with the yellow pencil, and my wall is even painted yellow. So if you're ever looking for me, I'm the yellow classroom. Come on in. So here's my classroom set up. I do have tables, so that'll be kind of something new for you guys. Another thing that I'm kind of new that we're going to have this year is you see that my sign says amazing things happen here. But there's only one dot right here. Well, on the first day of school, one of the things that we're going to do together is we're going to fill this with all different dots with your names on it. So let's walk around the room a little bit. Let's first come over here. I have something a little bit new this year that I didn't have last year, is we're going to have little book boats. And with these little book boats, you're going to be able to hop in your boat and you're going to be able to go around and read anywhere in the room with them. All right. So you see all these tables have numbers on it. That's where you guys will be. And then when we come over to this table, this is where we'll be working in our small group settings. Over here, we're going to have kind of our desk or our lockers where we're going to store our pencil boxes, our crayons, our books. And then up here, we're going to have our folders. So first grade, I'll be seeing 23 of you on August 24th. I can't wait to see you. See you guys later.